everyone, how's it going? This is Dr. Andrew from the Vertex Chiropractic and Sports Clinic here in Burlingame, California. And I just wanted to go over one of the best exercises that you could do if you were suffering from lateral epicondylitis or tennis elbow. One of the few exercises that I prescribe to patients when I first see them is the Tyler twist exercise using one of these TheraBand Flex Bars. This is an eccentric exercise that will help to strengthen your extensor muscles here on the outside of your forearm. In order to perform the Tyler twist, if you are feeling pain along the right elbow, what we want to do is we want to take our flex bar and hold it with our right hand, and we're going to tuck in our elbows close to our body, about 90 degrees. From here, with our right hand, we're going to bring our wrist into extension as such, and from here, with our left hand, we're gonna invert our thumb over, we're gonna grab the flex bar like this, and from here, we are going to start twisting and flexing our left wrist, twisting the flex bar. And now once you do that, we're gonna start extending our elbows all the way out, keeping a nice tug with that right hand. And from here, we're going to start lengthening our right extensors, or the area where you're feeling pain, as we start now flexing that right wrist over. It's nice and slow. And you should start feeling a stretching sensation in this area right here along the right elbow. Nice and slow. Once again, to start, we're going to take the flex bar with our right hand. We're going to tuck in our elbows in about 90 degrees. We're going to extend that right wrist, and now from here with our left hand, we're going to grab a hold of that flex bar, and now we're going to start twisting over as we flex that left wrist. And now from here, we're going to extend our elbows all the way out. And now, with our right wrist, we're going to let it go slowly as we start flexing our right wrist over, feeling a stretch along the outer portion of your forearm. And if you were to do the left side, so you have an idea of what it looks like, extend that left wrist, tuck in your elbows. With that right hand, we're going to grab it. And now from here, we're going to start twisting as we flex that right wrist. And now we're going to extend our elbows all the way out. And now let that left wrist go as we flex on over slowly. Good. Once more. If you have pain along the left hand side, we're going to extend that left elbow, keeping our elbows, or we're going to extend that left wrist, keeping our elbow tucked in. With our right hand, we're going to grab as such. And now we're going to start twisting with that right wrist. And now extend the elbows all the way out. And now from here, let's go ahead and let that left wrist go as it slowly starts to flex over, feeling that nice stretch along the outside of your forearm on this side. As far as to how many Tyler twists we want to aim for, let's aim for about 10 to 12 reps, about 2 to 3 times a day. Try that out, see how it feels, and try to strengthen this group of muscles right here to help out with your tennis elbow.